Hello, future economists. Have you ever dreamed of studying at one of the best institutions of the world? Imagine yourself at IIT, an institute known for excellence, research, and the brightest minds across the globe. If you're looking to make your mark in economics, then IIT is a great place to be. But to get there, you'll need to crack the IIT GATE or the IIT JAM, depending on the IIT that you want to get into. Both the IIT GATE and JAM test your understanding of economics at a deep level. You will encounter MCQs as well as numerical answer type where you need to input the answer, and a comprehensive syllabus which will be covering microeconomics, macroeconomics, statistics, econometrics, mathematics, and even more. But hold on, we've got you covered. Now, here's the reality check. 100 days. 100 days, that's all that stands between you and your IIT dream. You might be thinking, how can I possibly prepare? But we have designed a day-to-day plan that will maximize your chances of success. Whether you need to revisit your basics or you want to dive into high-level practice problems, we have a comprehensive 100-day strategy that will guide you each and every day and step of the way. Not only does this preparation work well for IIT, but it also does the groundwork that you lay for other examinations, especially for ISI and others like CUET. So why not prepare once and succeed across all other examinations? We at EduSure take pride in offering India's best student portal for economics entrance preparation. Imagine access to all the videos, all the solutions, and detailed notes, not just for IIT, but for all other top institutions as well. Our classes will be live 6 days a week, totaling more than 10 hours of expert guidance and interaction every week. And what's more, we have a 24/7 student help desk tool which will be clearing your doubt at any point of the day. Think you are absolutely ready for this examination? Think again. Our exam simulated mock test will give you a true feel of the IIT examination. You'll get to see where you stand among hundreds of others. It's the real deal. You can track your performance with EduSure IIT mock test, fix your weak areas, and boost your confidence. And here's the exciting part. For the first 10 enrollments, we are offering the entire IIT crash course for an introductory price of only 15,999. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, we have amazing combo packages for IIT plus CUET, IIT plus ISI to give you the ultimate preparation edge. Remember, you have only 100 days left to secure your seat at the IIT and change your future forever. The clock is ticking and the opportunity is now. Don't wait. Enroll today and let EduSure guide you to your dream career in economics. Remember, every second counts. Let's make these 100 days count together. See you in class.